since before the pandemic, I have not been able to find a black doctor in Harlem, Washington Heights to take care of me.
Harlem community advocate Tanisha Grant says she's not seen a doctor in 2 years after her primary care doctor in Queens retired.
Somebody, that you don't relate with, culturally, it means a lot. Culturally responsive medicine, culturally responsive mental health. The people that we treat us need to understand our issues and, where we come from.
Structural racism has led to the fact that only 2% of doctors in the whole entire country are black. And black people make up about 12% of the population across this country. So Tanisha's problem is very real.
The city's health leaders say black New Yorkers hit by Omicron were hospitalized at higher rates than any other group in the city. The data shows higher risk of exposure for essential workers, mostly black and Hispanic people, that often require in-person work. People of color had less access to COVID-fighting treatment in outpatient settings. Risk is higher for people with hypertension, diabetes, and obesity related to distrust in the healthcare system. Deprivation, disinvestment, and discrimination in black communities have driven a higher burden, according to the city's health department.
I don't feel like I should have to travel out of my community, especially since, there's such a high population of black people in Harlem.
One way the city is working to combat racism in the healthcare system is by hiring more black doctors with better access to life-saving treatment and prevention like the COVID vaccine.
In fact, there are even studies showing that when black people are treated by doctors of color, the outcomes are better.
And the deputy health commissioner is pointing out that prevention is always better than treatment. Of course, regards to COVID, that starts with the vaccine. So the work right now is going into getting people to be confident that the vaccine is safe. And of course, getting one of these lines to get one in the very near future before we have another wave to deal with here in New York.